Yeah, on a different type of time. Bitch, I'm big slime. I ain't never stressing. Out of sight, I'm out of mind. Applying pressure on that bitch. Pressure on that bitch. Applying pressure on that bitch. Yeah, because I love to work. Damn pain, I love to hurt. Damn bad, I love to flirt. I think you cute, I like your shirt. And damn pain, I need a nurse. Man, where the fuck the purse? These diamonds solar flare and burst. And overshine the fucking dirt. Yeah, my wrist miss Butterworth. Damn pain, I love to hurt. Damn bad, I love to flirt. I think you cute, I like your shirt. My wrist miss Butterworth. Damn pain, I love to hurt. Damn pain, I love to hurt. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's my birthday week. I'm so excited. It's Sunday. We're going to the beach today. We're going snorkeling. I'm so excited. My boo came to my home to come see me, to come spend my birthday with me. I'm so appreciative. I'm so happy, and I'm really excited.
You want a ranch?
For mozzarella sticks?
Got no fries, no.
Do you have some marinara sauce?
I got marinara.
And yeah, we're at Checkers right now. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. They be open, okay? They be open. But yeah. That's your snack. Pork set. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go home. Hello. Yeah.
Take your time, take your time, take your time. Yeah. We got somebody point me to the real.
That is nice, and they have Blue Lagoon. That's cool.
Blue Lagoon?
It's like another world under there, Taya.
Can't wait to be at the beach.
Fake news. Fake news.
Breaking news. We are not
Breaking news. This is it.
This is the 7 Mile Bridge.
Yes.
Take your time, take your time, take your vibe.
We're on the 7 Mile.
I wanna get I'm high as angel dust, nigga that tripping, they told me it was cushion. I'm high as angel dust, nigga that tripping, they told me it was cushion, yeah. I keep the road, wrist, parked outside and it's tallest the bush, yeah. I keep me some hunters, they ain't my bad, they stack them, they taller than bush whip. I get the best for the low, but slime, I ran and took it. Yeah, this shit running my blood, I need a few brooms out the front of the club. Yeah, this shit running my blood, I need a few brooms out the front of the club. This money, it come out of die, but exit up pussy, then fuck on the bubbling. Yeah, I'm smoking and pro this bubbling. I fucking and give a few rest cause I'm not with the cuddling. I'm falling in love fast, that's how my mom knows shit. We got somebody point me to.
Oh, we have to stop for a bathroom break. I don't know what this is. Is this soap? I guess this is soap. Okay. Regardless, I'm excited because we're about to pull up on the island that we need to be at. I think we're in like Bahia something island, but we need to be on like actual Key West. I like little road trips.
Somebody point me to the real love, cause all these niggas they get fake to me. Yeah, and I don't know it's rabbit dogs to your dog out. Yeah.
We are at the Conch Seafood Company. We're gonna get some great food, and then we're gonna go to the beach.
We got London on the train. Taking your time, you're taking your time. Take your time. Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go find my family that done ran off on me. now we're gonna go eat. This lady had me. I am. This lady had me picking out some shirt for her husband.
Yeah. You had her? Oh.
I'm really excited.
Smoke a whole zone, money long, rockin' chrome home, in the zone, understand 10 toes. Looking for the yo, chasing bang roll, got it on my own, only Lord knows. Money on the ceiling, money on the floor. We ain't never switching, I would never fold. We just sticking to the code. Been living life on the road. This is changing life, I'm a young mogul. Big smile for a whole honcho. Diamonds in your mouth.
I think I got stung by jellyfish, but it's okay. I'm not upset. We're about to go on our second dive, and I'm gonna try to record this one. You guys, oh my god, why do I look fried?
They don't wanna see us. And keep it real, really wanna be us. Free my cousin on the P.R. Hope you never had a key up. I was sitting money on the kiosk. Told him she up. Put him 20,000 on the green dot. Always had my back when we was high. Your money smaller than a Fiat. And my shit bigger than the Super Bowl. I done showed the summer who was really hot and who really not. And the people chose. They done paid me millions just for rockin' clothes. Guess it paid off fucking up these shopping stores. Drippin' across the globe. And I appreciate your love go a long way. And I eliminate disloyalty and fate. I'ma show you what it take. I have 100 youngins follow my trait. I signed up for a bundle, not a cruise straight. I'm sticking to the code, it's never too late.
It's all jellyfish on there.
Rockin' chrome home, in the zone. I'm just staying 10 toes. Local full of yo, chasing bang roll. Got it on my own, only Lord knows. Money on the ceiling, money on the floor. We ain't never switching, I would never fold. We just sticking to the code. Been living life on the road. This is changing life, I'm a young mogul. Big smile for a whole honcho. Diamonds in your mouth, some rose gold. I'm just sticking to the code. I ain't turning down, promise I'ma give them more. Rappers play around, I'ma let them go. Put them in the ground, never tell a soul. Never tell a soul, fuck the come to pro. Watch it coming cold, love the smell of rose. Lot of Mykonos, double styrofoam. Had to make a toast, almost overdose. Always getting calls, hardly answer phone. Someone get the picture, someone leave me alone. Make a good decision, get it on your own. Travel with it on the scene.
You gotta check it.
It's spicy.
No, it's not. It's supposed to be
Spicy.
Keep going. If you keep going, it'll be over quick.
I can't keep going.
Just keep going. It's gonna taste like Sprite.
I don't like Sprite. No, I can't do this. I'm going to drink it right here.
Presidents, I ain't never been late on the bill. Fuck a whole zone, money long, rockin' chrome home, in the zone. I'm just staying 10 toes. Local full of yo, chasing bang roll. Got it on my own, only Lord knows. Money on the ceiling, money on the floor. We ain't never switching, I would never fold. We just sticking to the code. Been living life on the road. This is changing life, I'm a young mogul. Big smile for a whole honcho. Diamonds in your mouth, some rose gold. I'm just sticking to the code. I ain't turning down, promise I'ma give them more. Rappers play around, I'ma let them go. Put them in the ground, never tell a soul.
Little bitty bitch.
This dude is insane.
Park the Rolls Royces out to pick up their legs. I was asking all right now, see.
I had a good
I
time.
didn't want to destroy to the
Now he's singing to me, y'all.
Everyone know I've been killed before. I've been like a city fool. And the money stacked to the ceiling wall.
$1,000 for the newest snake color wide.
Rock clean. Bought me. Bitch is swag. Loose and lean. Hand dirty. Watch me turn them clean. New hair I had mess. Kerosene. I can get my enemies. Motherfucking time. Kicking shit. I kick that shit. I kick my shit. With that shit back. Mommy got a big ass. Money, I'm jigging, I'm bouncing, I'm booting, no name, I'm no juggernaut. I got them youngins, them killers, them killers, you know they gon' turn this shit up a notch. I put your bitch on the mission, she coming back with it like Bob Chanel. Bitch, I cuss out, we can't see it, they gon' call 12. Hold on, strap the boss, I'm Alright, y'all, boy. So it's raining right now. She still got her mask on. I don't want her to see where we going till we get inside. You ain't drop light work, especially if you from Florida for it. Get your black ass out. Now come here.
Wait, don't let me walk through water. Babe.
You not, I got you, bro.
Am I gonna trip?
No, you tripping, no? Like that.
So who's my favorite op? Who's your favorite op? Who's my favorite op? All I can think about is what's stopping these people from blowing the shit out of us right now.
We up right now, nigga. Right here. I'll put one in the clip. See how it's up now? Like this. Don't put your hand here. Never put on the trigger unless you're ready to shoot. Your trigger finger. If you're not ready to shoot, keep it up here. Never put your hand up here, because when it shoot, it's gonna come back and it'll cut your finger. Two hands. So put this hand up more. You're pointing at the top of the ceiling now.
My first. Do you know where I shot? Where did I shoot?
Killing niggas out there. Don't shake before you shoot. Take a deep breath. Let's do it. Good job.
These are pretty.
229. That's yours. Can I look at this Taurus?
Toss it, I cannot help it. Say I'ma love you, now I'ma test it. She don't wanna fuck, then I'm on to a best friend. I'm stacking my bread, yeah, it's looking like Tetris. Looking like Tetris, I'm doing better. I told my sister to go keep her head up. Stay with that shit, I stay with that chat. I ain't ducking no beef and these niggas get wet up. These niggas get hit, what the fuck do you mean? If it ain't on my side, then it's tucked in my jeans. I was just down bad, now I'm living my dream. I done seen real niggas that turn into fiends. Turn into fiends, that had me sick. I'm having these niggas, can't stress out no bitch. I was born broke, bitch, I'ma die rich. I went from the tourist and got me a switch.
It's officially my birthday. Thing. I don't know what I'm doing today. All I want to do is play tennis with my mom and my grandma. I always look insane on my birthday.
I see Travis Scott.
Oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna try to put that wig back on. I don't know why it's not wigging, but hey, we ball.
Sliding out there, I'm riding in Dolo. And I ain't eating no. Like this bitch, I'm needing you. All I need is. Get up.
Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Don't blow your hands out.
Make a wish. 1, 2, whichever way it goes, just vibe, baby. But yeah, love you guys. Hope you have a great week, great night, great everything. Like I was saying, bye.
Let me tell you about me, 2001, a nigga was born, got 2 older sisters, my mom only son. She tell me my future so bright like the sun. He said, baby, he bless you, yeah, boy, you a done. In my pocket just thought no corona, no gun. Got me sipping this drink, I don't do it for fun. And we taking this risk, living life on the run. For 24 hours, I'm sipping some 40. And I'm walking no beasts, some slippers, don't need a shoe. She thought I was hubby, little bitch, I'm just fucking. Burn down on her soul, you know I don't need a. She feeding me lies, a bitch, I can smell the truth. And now I'm surprised, you know what that money I be high and high, you know ain't no reaching. Nobody won't smoke, I'ma go bliss his hoe. I'm ballin' forever, I ain't gotta go pro. I knew it was up when I jumped off the post. Ain't was stepping for real, we ain't smashing no rope. Get a baddie, you know I'ma get in the throat. He came out the jungle, but that boy a goat. It's a cold for real, better get you a coat. You can't teach them the game, cause they sticking notes. I don't do this for fame, I just speed on my folks. I just smile through my pain, but this shit ain't a joke. Let me tell you about me.